Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 3 words for us from here to there. Page number 16 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. The first word we have is qala. Qala can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is Qaf Fatha Alif Sukoon. That's a hidden sukoon here. Qaf is a heavy letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Alif, and Alif has a hidden sukoon. And it will be prolonged for 2 counts. Qaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Qa. Qaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Qa. Qaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Qa. The second syllable we have is Lam Fatha La. Lam is light in this case. We have Fatha on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Lam Fatha La. Lam Fatha La. Lam Fatha La. Combining these 2, we have Qala. 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 The next word we have is Qawlun. It can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is Qaf Fatha Waw Sukoon Qaw. Qaf is a heavy letter. It has Fatha on top of it, and it is followed by Waw Sukoon. Qaf Fatha Waw Sukoon Qaw. Qaf Fatha Waw Sukoon Qaw. Qaf Fatha Waw Sukoon Qaw. The next syllable we have is Lam Dhammatain Lun. Lam is a light in this case, and we have Dhammatain on top of it. Lam Dhammatain Lun. Lam Dhammatain Lun. Lam Dhammatain Lun. Combining these 2 syllables, we have Qawlun. 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 The next word we have is Kana. It can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon. That's hidden sukoon here, and it will be prolonged for 2 counts. Kaf is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it, and it is followed by Alif, and Alif has a hidden sukoon. Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Ka. Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Ka. Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Ka. The next syllable we have is Noon Fatha Na. Noon is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Noon Fatha Na. Noon Fatha Na. Noon Fatha Na. Combining these 2 syllables, we have Kana. 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 So the next few slides would be sounds only. Qala. 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 Qawlun. 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 Kana. 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 So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.